All right. So, hi everyone. I'm Asis Panti. So, I'm the president of Coding for Social Good Nepal, and I'm sure you all know about Coding for Social Good Nepal. And as I say, yeah, I'm speaking in English because we are using that as like the language of instruction for this session. I hope you all are comfortable. Uh, yeah, you can speak Nepali when you are communicating with your peers, but try to speak in English during this session. Um, so I'll just give you a brief about the program. So it's a web development program, and it's a 15 days program. And I'm sure you must all have like received the curriculum of the program and the schedule of the program. So I'll share the important information about the program. So I'll start with the code of conduct. So in this program, so there is no tolerance for harassment. So if you see any of these things happening in the program, just report us via Discord, or you can use the email address. So this is the first thing that I want to point out in this program. And then next, it's a bit more description about the program. So the program starts at 7:15 p.m. Nepali time every day. So if you join by 7:10 p.m., that's great. So try to be early. And throughout the session, keep your mic muted unless you are speaking. And then also turn on your video if it's comfortable, but I highly recommend you to turn on your video. It's a bit interactive. And then so as I said earlier, so we'll be using English as the language of instruction for this program. Yeah, you are allowed to speak in Hindi as well, because Tarun knows Hindi and English, but he's not familiar with Nepali, so that's the reason. And yeah, you can use Nepali for communication with your peers. So bit about the program again. So attendance is mandatory. So I don't want any of you to miss any sessions. So if you have any emergencies or anything, then just let us know in advance so that we can mark your absence, and we'll provide you with the recording for the day. So to get the recording, you need to be present. Sorry, you need to send us the email earlier. So if you send us the absence email earlier, then we'll send you the recordings. And also, like at the end of the program, you will receive the certification. So you will receive the physical certificates and digital certificates as well. Um, so yeah, do not miss any of the classes. So attendance is compulsory. Then only you will receive the certificate. And then at the end, we'll have the final project. We'll say I'll give you more information about the final project in the next few days, but it will be something uh, like a website that are gonna build with the classes that you take during this program. And that is all about the program, and also the communication about the program. So our primary medium for communication will be Discord. So I have sent you all the invitations, and many of you have already joined. So I'll in the next hour or so, I'll give you the roles, so you can access all of these channels inside of our server. And the channels are descriptives themselves, so you can explore the channels and you'll find more information about that. And yeah, that is all about the program. So we can start with the program. So happy learning. I think Tarun will take over from here. Thank you, Ashish. So, firstly, I started my introduction. So, myself, I am Sai Tarun, working in Flipkart as
code, everything. And the domain is just like, google.com, like google.com itself is known as name, and for every name there will be an IP address. Simply the IP address is nothing but house name, like house number. Uh, with house name we have the house address, like 1 dash 2 dash, that something will have house address. So the house address is known as IP address. We can search our home with IP address, and we can search our home with house name also. So like house address, in the same way we can search our home with house number. So this is the website, like this is how our website is being hosted, and we'll accessing that through the server. So here, the main thing, we can build a website with code and WordPress both. But why we are going to use website here to build our website? So I want to simply tell you that nowadays we have ready-made houses, where we'll get what we say, we'll get total, they give like ready-made walls and all, just we have to fit them. We build an house. But in traditional way, we have to build it like brick by brick. We have to build it from scratch. So the building from scratch is very time taking and very like consuming energy of ourselves. So here, to reduce the time and energy, we use WordPress. So WordPress has so many pre-built templates, like pre-built, like we can drag and drop. We have so many templates in that. So here, that's the reason, in today's time, all over the globe, like 40 plus, like 40% plus websites are hosted on WordPress, like build on WordPress. So that's the reason we are going to learn about WordPress here. So this is what about why we are going to build the WordPress, like our website on WordPress. So here, coming to, like, we can learn by, what we say, if we want to learn on net, like in today's world, for learning also, it's like we have to pay so much, right? So here we can learn, like we can build our website on WordPress locally, and like internet, on the taking hosting domain or anything. Like, but here for taking domain, it's cost, like generally they take money, right? So we have domain fees and hosting fees. So here, to overcome that, we'll run our WordPress total server on our PC. So we'll download the local WP. It's an open source. Anyone can download. It's no costing for it. We can download it, and we can access WordPress on our PCs, and we can learn, like, and we can learn about WordPress. We can build so many websites on our PC. So here, that is the reason we are going to learn the WordPress on local host. We are going to host our on PCs, hosting on our PCs. So here we are going to, like I have said you, right, your secret workshop local WP. We are going to learn the we are going to learn WordPress web development on local host. So here, I think you all have your laptops, right, with you. I think I hope you are learning with, like, you are joined the session with laptops. Is it? Hello.
Yes, they all have laptops.
Okay. I think
Okay,
someone like,
I'm so sorry.
yeah,
Uh,
I think
but most of them have.
so. Yeah. I prefer, like, I suggest you all to join from the session from laptop, so that you can try, like, you can from, like, I will explain you, like, now I'll tell you how to download the local WP also. So you can, while listening to the section, you can download that also. Like, it will, like, we can do both coordinately. So I hope you bring your laptops, like you join from the laptops from tomorrow. Here now, we'll download local WP. So I'll tell you how to download it. So first we go to Chrome, like browser, whichever browser you have. Search for local host, like local WP. You will get first website. So click on it. After clicking on it, you can see here download for free. Just click on this. Here we have to fill some of the data, like choose a platform. If you have Mac, you can choose Mac. Linux, you can choose Linux Ubuntu. I'm choosing
Tarun, sorry to interrupt you, but you are only
yeah, okay.
sharing your presentation.
Present. Okay, 1 minute. Sorry for that. I'll stop presenting. I'll share the total windows. Yeah. I hope it's getting right now. Right? You can see screen, right?
Yes, we can.
So here we are on, like, I'm open my browser. So you can open your browser and you here you have to search local WP. You can see here local WP. Just search for it. Here it will come at first local WP. Just click on it. And now here we can see if we just scroll down, here we can see download for free. And here we have to fill some of our data, like on which platform we are going to download this local WP local. So I am going to download on my Windows. You can select whichever system you are using. So I am clicking on Windows. I am entering like my basic details, my name, and here I am choosing other. You can also choose other. And here email. If you have your school email, you can give your school email. I am giving here my work email and click on get it. As I am already installed it, I have already having it. So I am here going to directly install it in front of you. So we go to files. So you can see here, right? Local. So I am going to double click on it. 1 minute. I think I have to share screen again. Uh, stop. I share my entire screen. So here we go to files. We double click on this local. It will take like approx 1 minute. Uh, Here click install anyway. Yeah. So it will take roughly like 30 seconds to 1 minute. Yeah. So here I'm going to use this for me. So I'll let it be only for me and I'll click next. Here the path, it will be downloaded in this path and it's approx 2.1 GB. So keep your in whichever systems you have free, like in whichever disk you have free, installing that. So I have here 34 GB, so I will keep it here itself, and I'll keep I'll click on install. If you want this website link, I will share it with Ashish. He will include he will share it on Discord on we have group, right? He will share it on that. No worries for that link. If you can't find it on Google, you will get it on the group. Just give me a minute. I'll off all my notifications. Yeah, I'm back. So sorry for that. So we'll see. I think it's installed. So here run locally. We'll clip it leave it. So here click on finish. Yeah, we can see here, right, local. So this is what about installing installing the local WP on our PCs. Now we'll go to next slide. Here, as we installed it, we'll as I said, you go to localwp.com, click on download, choose your computer type. Next, assemble, we have to click allow, and we have to choose the path. It will be installed, and I will show you the how the dashboard of the local WP looks. So here I'm opening it. So this is how it will looks. So here you can see plus, so from here we can create a website, we can create our local site. This is, we can connect platforms. Like most of the time I mean, we don't use this all things. Just we use this, like we directly create the website here. We create credentials of our website, and we can directly log into it, and we see the total overview of WordPress. In WordPress, after logging into the WordPress dashboard, we can see the dashboard there. This is the dashboard of local WP, which we don't want to know much about. We'll get into, as this is a local WP, just to learning purpose we are going to use this. Going to the, if we going to build actual websites, there we directly interact with WordPress dashboard, which I'm going to show you in some time. So here, this is how it looks like local WP. And going to next. So here, as I said, now we try to build a local site, and per site we have admin, like we have username, we have like password and a random mail. You can keep your school mail. As we are building this in on local, we don't have to be like we have to we don't have to check like much on the email and that part. If you build actual website, we have to keep the like working mail, a professional mail, which we have to use, like we can use that for changing websites password and for getting the notifications about website and all things. So we'll see, like first we'll go to the local WP, and there I will show how to build, like how to start building a website, like how we'll create a site here. So we'll go to local WP dashboard once again. So here I'll click on plus symbol. So here we are going to create new site. So I'll be clicking on what is your site's name. So here I'll randomly keep it like my name, like Sai. I'll keep it as Sai. Like choose environment, we choose prefer, like it will take the latest versions of PHP and MySQL. So I'll leave it like preferred only. In custom, we have like we can choose the PHP versions, web servers, like we want Apache or that NX. And here we can choose the database as well. But we don't go much into that. We keep it preferred, and we click on continue. Here, as I said, we have to keep the username and password, right? So here I'm keeping randomly admin. For password, I open it. For password, I'll be keeping password. So here, leave it this much itself. So here coming to advanced options, like select the language. We will leave it to English. So is this a WordPress multi-site? No, it's not a multi-site. So we keep it no, and we'll keep on add site. So that's it. So it's taking some time to add it. Yeah, allow. Click on allow. It will hardly take. Just you click on allow for all permissions which it asks. Yes. So it's downloading WordPress on our website. You all are getting it right. Do you feel any lag, or do you think I'm going somewhat fast, or is everything is okay? You're comfortable with my English, right? You can keep time. You are listening at least. That's okay. So we'll keep somewhat interaction between you and me so that I can feel that you are listening. So it will be nice. I think it's taking somewhat time. It's usually first time, like we have installed first time, right? So it will take somewhat time to set it up. Once it's once we completed our website first time, while we are going to create new website, it's somewhat fast. It will be like so. Yeah, it's created. So here it's totally about our website. So this is site domain. As I said, it's keep an sci.local as this is I mean we have hosted it on local, so it's kept like generally dot local. We can change it as our wish. Like if I want to keep it sci.com, I can keep it to sci.com. It will take like one like approx 30 to 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute, and it will rename that site domain name. And coming to SSL, I'll be explaining you about SSL in upcoming sessions, like what is SSL, what is it for. Like I'm going to explain it. And here the web server, as we seen, it's installed and PHP version, database, click admin. This is WordPress version, and this all things like we have kept it at the time of install, like creating site, right? It will display all at this place. And here for now, I'll trust this. I'll click on trust. Yeah,
Hello, good evening, Tarun sir.
yeah.
So I
Good.
have a question that I own a domain. So can I use that domain?
Uh, like for here we are going to build a website on our own PC. Like it's totally on local. If you have a domain, you have to take the hosting. Like it's cost around like at cheapest cost, like it will cost around you like 40 to 50 rupees. Like we are in learning stage, we don't want that costing, so we can buy like 50 rupees max. We can buy the like I can show you like somewhat. We If you search for hosting here, leave the first one hosting or it's cost more. Go down, you have like this Roser host.
Oh
It's
yes.
give it's give 45 rupees per month. It's
Indian 45 rupees.
yeah in 45 rupees like Indian 45 rupees. It's providing the hosting like unlimited SSD for 1 month. But I suggest you to do it on local. Like we are in learning stage, right? Once
Yes.
we learning, like once we see all about the WordPress, and if we like, and we are going to build an project also, as Ashish said. Once building that all, you can explore. In meanwhile, you can explore more about WordPress. Once you get a clear about the WordPress, you can start building like projects in real time. As I said, for that you can start with these 45 rupees or 69 rupees packages. They are dead cheap, I think, for now. So this is what you can get cheapest hostings. So I think you have clear, right? You are not.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Okay. Welcome. So here we go to as we set up our website. So here we click on WP admin where we go to actual the place we are going to build our website. So I am clicking on that. So here it's the dashboard. Here we'll at the time of installation we have keep in some admin and password, right? I just keep a simple one as we have to remember throughout. Like we have to remember it for 15 days. we're going to build our like we are going to do the stuff on this website. So on this, so I have kept random admin password, so you can keep whatever you want, and just be clear that remember it, as we want to log in it daily at the session time. So we'll see our website also once. Here I'll keep click on open site. So here, this is the sample page of WordPress. It created a sample page of theme 2025. So we're going to discuss these themes and all in upcoming sessions, because I'll tell all things once, you'll feel like overwhelming. So for now, we'll log into our dashboard and we discuss and we see all about the dashboard now, sir. For now, so here I'm logging in admin. Here I'll search, like I'll paste my password. Password. I click on login. So here I want to give a clear note that here local websites we have directly click on this, right? In local WP we directly click on WP, like WP admin. We got the dashboard of WP like this. For actual websites which are built on internet, so for that type of websites, how we are going to open this dashboard? So I am going to tell it now. Don't be like rush. This is not that hard. It's just simple. I will repeat in day-to-day class again and again about this. So for now, we'll take a sample website like Flickr Tech. I'm going to open this. So this is an actual website which is built on hosting, like which is built on servers. So we'll access. Uh, I mean, I show you how to open the WP dashboard in this. So here, coming to domain, here just click slash WP dash ADMI admin. Click enter. So here it opens. So here we have to enter the admin, like password and username, like credentials, to enter into the actual dashboard which look like this. So opening the dashboard and we edit all the content of our website. So for actual websites which are built on the like internet, we'll access the WP login like WP dashboard like this. But for now, as we are hosting it locally, for every time accessing our website, we have to open WP local, and we have to access it from here. I hope you got it. Here, as I have login, here you can see this is totally WordPress dashboard. Here we can see home, updates, posts, media, pages, comments, appearances, login, users, tools, settings. Here we'll go like I'll show you one by one what is what represents what. So the dashboard is this one only. So look, here it will show welcome to WordPress, the version, and some of details about the WordPress. So it's not needed much. And coming to updates, it show all about the updates of WordPress. So yeah, this is current version. And here we can reinstall or we can update our WordPress. Here plugins, themes, and other stuff. Here coming to post, simply I want to tell like coming to post. The post is nothing but blocks. Like if you go to like if you generally you search for like if you have a doubt, like how to, like I will search here how to install W like local WP on my Windows PC. Here, if you scroll down, somewhat you scroll down, we'll find like here install local PC on my WP WordPress question. I will click on this. So here, the I think this is not what we are looking for. Wait a minute. We'll open. Yeah, we got it. So you can see, like, you see so many like, in general, if we search for anything, we can see like these pages, right, in which we see about like how to set up and total content dumped into that. Like, this is it is the process of installation of the local WP on our PC. So it has total content. Here we have screenshots and all. So basically, this thing, like this page itself, is called as post or blog. So these pages are created from here. Here we, if we click on post, like add post, we can create here. We have here also, and we have here also add post. Click on once we click on add post, we can start writing the post. We can add the images and other audio stuff or video stuff in that. So generally, this itself is called as blog. And here we can see another, like, simply this. Here, how to install WordPress on Windows computer, two methods. Like, this is totally comes under blog article. Like, this type of pages will be created in this part, like this post part. And coming to media, we will add all images, and we can find all the stuff of what images, what media library contents which are there in our website. That all we can access from here. We can delete, or we can add also. We can upload max, like here we can upload max 300, like max upload file, like maximum upload file size will be 300. So, and here we can upload files, or we can access files whatever there on the website. And coming to pages, pages something like, if we simply take our local WP only, as here we can see this, right, features. These all features, these all are comes under pages. Like our local WPs, this is home page, and under this we have like these sub pages. Like, this all are come to pages. And by the way, this this is also comes under page. This is home page, and all pages, this all pages are comes under like sub pages. Change your website's color scheme, keyboard shortcuts, language. Here you can see username. This all things you can see here about my like it's giving about admins details here. So you can see all things you can regenerate, like set a new password from here also. So this is give about all things about the profile of admin. And coming to all users, if we create any new user, it will show here. Like we can edit their passwords, their email addresses here itself. And coming to tools, like we can see like available tools. As we have not started yet, it will show nothing. And we can import tools, we can export. And here we can say like we can see the site health. Coming to this all, like here we can also see about theme file editor. We can edit the themes also. This we will see in upcoming sessions. And coming to settings, here we have